We are here to do oil change number 5 on the Cherokee SRT, and it's around, I think, February 23rd, 2019, and she's getting on 2 years old and 4 months or so. Bought it in October of, so we are at, that says 18031, and the last oil change was at 13, so we ran it up to 5 this time, 5,000 miles on the oil change. Haven't put any oil in the vehicle, no drips, no engine problems whatsoever. We are right on the full mark. It's pretty much where it ends up when you put all 7 quarts in it, so it's not using, not losing, not dripping, and sticking to the same plan with the SRT filter and Pennzoil SRT special oil. It says it on there somewhere. How come I can never see that? Anyway, here we are for oil change number 5.